Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Today, which is July 29, 2020, is the most awaited day for Indian Air Force since the most powerful Rafale fighters are going to land in Ambala Air Force Station. This is indeed a special day in Indian Air Force since, as mentioned in my previous video, for which I have provided the link below, these Rafale fighters, along with Sukhoi Su 30 MKI, will rule the Indian sky space. Post taking a small break in United Arab Emirates Al Dhafra Air Base, these Rafale fighters have resumed their journey. There were few pics released in Twitter which showed the Rafale fighter getting mid-air refueling on the way to India during this 7,000 kilometers journey. The images which were released in the Twitter is on the screen for your quick view. Such a nice pic to see these powerful beauty in the sky eagerly flying towards India. These Rafale fighters were accompanied by Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport which would be handling the refueling. As these Rafale fighters are reaching India, I thought it would be good to do a quick comparison between Rafale and the Chinese Chengdu J-20 fifth generation fighter aircraft. We will just see quick comparisons like the structure, the general characteristics, the main armaments and avionics. So without wasting much time, let's begin. As usual, let's see the flight description. The Chengdu J-20 is a single-seat, multi-role stealth fighter aircraft manufactured by Chengdu Aircraft Industry of China. These fighters look like a mix-up or a hybrid of Sukhoi Su-57 and Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. Coming to Rafale, which is a twin-engine Canard Delta Wing multi-role fighter aircraft, is designed and built by Dassault Aviation of France. These Rafale fighters are intended to perform air supremacy, interdiction, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike, and nuclear deterrence missions. Speaking about the structural comparison, Dassault Rafale has a length of 15.27 meter, height of 5.34 meters, and wingspan of 10.90 meters. The J-20 has a length of 20.4 meters, height of 4.45 meters, and wingspan of 13.5 meters. The maximum takeoff weight of Rafale is 24,500 kilograms, and the J-20's maximum takeoff weight stands at 37,000 kilograms. Coming to the fuel capacity, Rafale has a fuel capacity of 4,700 kilograms, and J-20 stands at 11,340 kilograms. Maximum speed of Rafale is Mach 1.8 and J-20's maximum speed is Mach 2. Coming to the engine details which power these aircrafts, Rafale is powered by two Snecma M88-2 turbofans with 50.04 kN dry thrust and 75 kN with afterburner. The J-20 are powered by two Shenyang WS-10B afterburning turbofan which has 140 to 145 kN with afterburner. Coming to the major armaments, Rafale is equipped with a wide variety of deadly weapons and missiles, and to name a few are the MBDA Meteor, which is an active radar-guided beyond visual range air-to-air missile. The other one to mention is the MBDA Scalp, the MBDA Mica missiles, the MBDA AM-39 Exocet anti-ship missiles. These above-mentioned missiles of Rafale makes it more powerful than the J-20, and it will obviously enhance the airstrike capability and air dominance in the Indian Air Force. The J-20 will be armed with internal cannon for close-range combat missions. It will comprise 8 hardpoints and a large weapon bay. The J-20 doesn't support vast variety of missiles like Rafale. It is equipped with PL-10 short-range air-to-air missile, PL-12 medium-range, and PL-15 long-range air-to-air missiles. None of the powerful and proved MBDA missiles has been integrated or tested properly with these Chinese fighters. So if we compare the armaments, it is very evident and clear that the Rafale will win in every aspect. Coming to the avionics, the Rafale's glass cockpit was designed around the principle of data fusion, which is a central computer which selects and prioritizes the information which needs to be displayed to the pilot for simpler command and control. All the vital avionics of Rafales comes from Thales Group, like the one which is listed on the screen. The J20 will feature a glass cockpit with two liquid crystal displays and a heads-up display. The J20 has Type 1475 active electronically scanned array. It has EOTS-86 electro-optical targeting system and EORD-31 infrared search and track systems. So that was a quick high-level comparison between the Dassault Rafale of Indian Air Force and the Chinese J20. If we see the main aspect and the features, the Rafale fighters are proven machines and it has proved its role and power in Afghanistan, Libya, and Syria, while the J20's power and capability are just on papers, and this jet has not been part of any type of actions which Rafale has proved its power. Please feel free to leave your comments below about your opinion about these two fighter jets. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.